serial entry. So there are two identifiers, right? One is a new, one is a old. For new value, new is for insert statement, new value is a true. Okay. For insert statement, it's having a new identifier. For update statement, update means what we are doing? Existing record. If we have any existing record in the table, then based on some condition or whatever it may be, we are updating that record, right? Means its existing value, existing means old values it's having, right? It's having a old values. Okay. New value. For this one, update, we are having the old value. Again, by using old value, again, we are changing the old value to new value, right? Update, set, update, set that value based on the where condition. So what we are doing, we are setting the value. That set value is a new value. So for this one update, we can have a old and new, both identifiers. Okay, both identifiers. Okay, for insert new value, we are having old is false. New value is always true. For update, old and new values are true because it's having a old value. Again, we are updating a new value. For delete, we have do we have a after deleting any new values we have in the table? Are you able to see any new values in the table after deleting?
No, sir.
What is the true for this one? Delete. What we will do? Delete existing records only we can delete, but new records we cannot delete, right? New records because we are not inserting yet. How it will come new records? Only existing records only we are able to delete, right? Whatever the table it was stored, whatever the data it contains the table or view, that data only we are able to delete. Means those are existing records, not a new values. So that is the reason for delete. For delete, it's having the old identifier. New identifier is the false for this one. Okay. Insert, it's having a new value, but no old one. But delete, exactly opposite. It's having the only old identifier, but not a new identifier. But update, old and new, both are true. Okay. This is, you should have to remember it. Whatever you are doing, suppose insert or update, delete, whatever you are doing, based on that, you can get these values, either new or old, new or old. For delete old, insert new, update old and new are true. Okay. Then how we will read this one? New dot column name. New dot column name, old dot column name. Means if your new dot column name means what is the data you are inserting, ready to insert, that inserting data, it will come for a new dot column name. Okay, what is the column name you are giving? Salary, employee number, e name, whatever it may be, you can give here column name instead of column name, means e name. Okay, same way you can give employee number, old value, means for insert it is a new dot e name, but for update old dot employee number and new dot salary. Same way, old dot salary, what is the old salary? After updating, what is the new value? Both values we can get it. For delete, what is the old record? Which record you are deleting? DPIT number, whatever it may be. Okay, like that we can write it and we will get those values. So those are few examples we can see for the row level trigger. This is again the new and old values for only row level trigger, not a statement level trigger. Okay, statement level trigger it not contains. If we are using any old and new values, if you are seeing anywhere in the trigger old and new or old, anything, both, it is a row level trigger. Okay, if statement level trigger, we should not apply these three identifiers. If it is a row level trigger only, we can apply these three. Okay, and one more thing is, yeah, for example, these are the things. Okay, create or replace trigger, same way. How we are creating statement level trigger also, same way, create or replace trigger before insert or update delete. All three we can keep it, but right now we are using insert on employee for each row. This is the extra keyword we'll add for the row level trigger. For row level trigger, we can identify by using this one for each row. If you are using for each row in the trigger, then that is the row level trigger. You can identify easily. For each row is there, then that is the row level trigger. Okay. Then these are options. When new value, new commission is, suppose you are inserting, right? That new commission is less than 500. Okay. Then it will set to 9,000. Okay. Just we are giving that's it. If less than 500, then new value, new commission equal to 500. If you want to print it, you can print. If you want to print, you can print it. Okay, you can print it. Following DVMS output that put underscore and be ready, Raghu. Open the skill plus and copying this one, execute there. So output put underscore line. Okay. This trigger. So Raghu, copy this one and paste it in the SQL plus. I'm stopping. You share your screen. Quickly, it will be closing. 3 minutes we have. Raghu, are you there?
There. Say. टेबल में आया पीछे टेस्ट ऑन में
EMP you have, right? Okay, test one we can write. Yeah. is there. What are each row? What is the error? New commission when new commission less than
1 plus n value is equivalent to
by bind. Okay, when condition we have to write there only.
Find variable.
Okay, just comment that one. But without that, how can we write it? Okay, if okay, down write it down. Begin after that. When keep it comment. Okay. Yeah. If actually when we have to write there only same copy here. If